Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lock the line quantity so that when you add releases, the system does not keep increasing the total quantity and instead keeps it fixed. Let's open the order entry menu. We're going to create a new order from scratch. I'll add a new order. Choose the customer. For example, Dalton. For PO, I'll type any number and set the need by date to Friday of next week. For ship by date, I'll select 2 days before just to complete the information. It doesn't really matter for this example. Now I'll add a line. We can add it here, but personally I prefer viewing the details from this tab. Next, I'll choose a manufactured part, like this one, and set the quantity to 100 pieces. Then I'll click Save. Here we can see all the line information, including marketing details such as campaign, category, product group, etc. This is the checkbox we'll be using, Lock Line Quantity. Before using it, let me show you what happens if we don't check it. The system automatically creates a release for the same quantity as the line. If I add a new release and say I want to create 5 shipments of 20 pieces each, I'll enter 20 in the first release, 20 in the second, 20 in the third, 20 in the fourth, and 20 in the fifth. Then click Save. You might think that each release has 20 pieces and together they total 100. However, if we go to the List tab, I can select Show Summaries and check the sum option. You'll see that the total is now 180. So how can we prevent the system from adding to the line quantity automatically? I'll delete these releases. Now I'll go back to the line and check the Lock Line Quantity box. When I create a new release for 20 pieces and save it, you'll see that instead of increasing the total, it subtracts 20 from the original 100, leaving 80 remaining. If we continue adding releases from the list view, you'll see that each time a new release is created and saved, the system subtracts the quantity automatically. This way, we end up with 5 releases of 20 pieces each without manually adjusting the line quantity. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.